Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add to home screen a document in the Google Docs app. And before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files where we have our documents. From here we just tap on the three dots next to the document's name that we want to add to home screen. Then scroll down. And at the bottom we find add to home screen. Tap on this. Here we will have a widget, and if you tap on add, the document is now added to our home screen, and we can organize it like so. If you tap on this, then it's going to open up the list. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.